Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see I am here on my terrace and yes, the construction work is running on my terrace and yes, it's very humid weather. It's not so sunny and rainy, but yes, it's humid weather and yes, the cloud will be here, so it seems like the evening time the rain will be happen, but now it's very humid. Yes, the wind is blowing slowly, but very humid. Okay, so let's talk about something in English. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some points that will help you to increase your confidence level in English. So what happen if somebody comes to you and asks some common question in English and you will not get your answer in English, so you feel low confidence. You feel like, okay, it's very difficult language, I can't learn this language. But my dear friend, if you have already practiced that question answer in an advanced level, so you can give your answer in a confident way, and in this way your confidence level will be increasing. You feel it's very easy language, I can give this answer in a proper way, and you feel more confidence. So what you need to do to feel more confident in English, you need to just prepare some question answer in advance, because all the question answer that generally asked by someone, these are very common question, these are very simple and common question, but very important question. These types of question generally emerged by someone. If somebody comes to you and asks you a question, how was your day, so how will you give your answer if you don't practice in advance? Okay, so first thing is that you have to practice some question answer in English in an advanced level. If you will practice all the question answer that is very simple but very important and that generally emerge in our day-to-day life with someone, so if you will practice all the question answer in advance, so you will give your answer in a proper way and it will increase your confidence level. You will feel more confident in English. You will feel, okay, the English is not very difficult language, it's very easy language. Okay, so for the getting confidence in English, you have to practice some common but very important question and how to give answer in English. So it's very important to prepare all the question answer in a advanced level. Okay, in advance. So first I'm going to share with you a very common question, but the question is very common but very important. This is question emerges by every time because इट्स वेरी कॉमन एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. किसी ने आपसे पूछा आपका दिन कैसा था, सो इट्स वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन बट very important question. If somebody asked you a question, how was your day, so this question may be asked in a different way, like what did you do yesterday, you are feeling very tired, so how was your day yesterday, did you have a bad day yesterday, you are looking so fantastic, and did you have a good day yesterday. So there are many ways to ask this type of question, how was your day. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some answer, and all the answer depend on this question. You can choose your answer according to your situation, according to your that what did you feel and what will you feel at that time. Okay, so the question is that how was your day. But before getting into the video, I just want to ask you a question. Can you subscribe my channel? If you haven't subscribed my channel, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till the end, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so this is a common question like how was your day, how did you do yesterday. So yes, so the day may be different way, you feel bad, you feel good, you feel okay, so you can give your answer according to your situation. So if your day was good, so you can say it was good, you can say It was fantastic day. You can say it had a fantastic day. And also you can give your answer. Today was the most fantastic day in my life. Also you can give your answer in another way. I did not expect my day to be so beautiful. Okay, so if you feel good, then you can give your answer that I have shared with you, 3 or 4 answer. Now if you feel okay, not good, not bad, so you can give your answer according to this. So you can say, my day did not start too good, but by the evening time everything was good, everything was fine. You can say my day was terrible, not good, not bad, my day was terrible. And yes, you can say, I wish my day wasn't so bad. I wish my day was not so bad. Okay, now if you feel like your day was not good, was not okay, so you can give your answer according to your mood. So you can say your answer, it was the worst day of my life. It was the worst day. सबसे खराब दिन था मेरी ज़िंदगी का. It was the worst day of my life. Also you can give your another answer according to your situation. My day was quite okay. My day was quite okay. You can give your answer, my day was quite fine. My day was quite fine. You can say also, nothing special happened today. Nothing special happened today. It was the same like the other days. Okay, so if you feel more busy, so you can give your answer according to situation. I just didn't realize how the day passed by. I just didn't realize how the day passed by. You can give your answer, my day was so busy because I had a lot of work at the office. My day was so busy because I had a lot of work at my office. Also you can give your answer in another way. It was busy the whole day. It was busy the whole day doing household chores. If you are a woman, then you can give your answer according to this. It was busy the whole day doing household works, your chores. You can give your answer in another way. I was so busy today that I couldn't even breathe. मतलब मुझे सांस लेने की भी टाइम नहीं मिला. I was so busy today that I couldn't even breathe. मुझे सांस लेने तक का समय नहीं मिला. मैं इतना ज़्यादा आज बिजी थी या बिजी था. Okay, now you can give your answer in another way. I was so busy that I didn't even realize that I have to visit toilet. Okay, you can see your answer because मुझे तो टॉयलेट जाने तक का भी टाइम नहीं मिला. मैं इतना ज़्यादा बिजी थी या बिजी था. You can give your answer in another way. It was so busy that I didn't answer my girlfriend's call. Okay, it was so busy that I didn't answer my girlfriend calls. Yes, you can see answer in another way. It was so busy that I even dream. It was so busy in taxes that I even dream in my counting numbers of taxes in the night time. So you can give your answer according to your situation, and I hope you will get some answer in English and choose your answer according to your situation, because this is a very common and very important question. If somebody asks to you and some question that how was your day, how was your whole day, how did you spend your whole day, so you can give your answer according to your situation. So I have shared with you so many question, so many answer according to your situation, what you are feeling right now. So you can give your answer according to your situation. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.